You may not be from around here, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, let me introduce you to myself. My name's Super Laser, and this is my trailer for 2025 for new people who just subscribed to this channel, and currently I now want to reach 100 subscribers. However, the problem with this channel is that, all comments and like to dislike ratio has completely been disabled because the internet decided that I'm a very unlikable person who just wants to post very mundane videos. Here you will find such varieties such as gaming, memes, video essays, short clips of myself traveling through places, exploring cooking videos, snack videos, and I'm thinking about doing interviews with, YouTubers, and I know one person who I can interview first so I can, boost some views and some subscribers for this channel. So if you want an interview for my next upcoming videos, my Discord and or email is available. And in return, if I get to reach 100 subscribers, then maybe I'll turn back on the comments and like to dislike ratio until further notice. Once my motivation has been regained. So here's a quick preview of my channel. I know at this moment, that my YouTube channel is cursed, so I urge people not to subscribe to my YouTube channel because the internet said so. But for this time, I will say, if you liked this channel, then give this video a sub and a like, and I'll see you in the next video whenever I can. So, welcome to the channel.